Coming up, take a visit to the Char-Broil factory for an inside look at getting a grill together and find out what's the big deal behind the BTUs when we continue. Welcome back, I'm Mark Summers, and today we are checking out all the ways to grill up all the good stuff. And one of the most popular ways to get things going is with a gas grill. So join me as we learn together the secrets behind firing these cookers up. Grilling used to mean waiting for charcoal to heat up. But ever since 1966, Char-Broil gas grills have been firing up as easy as pushing a button.
Go out, turn on the igniter, and you're ready to, within a few minutes, you're ready to cook.
That's because gas grills have been lighting up barbecues with a different kind of heat, propane.
Generally, you get around 20 hours or so of cooking time out of a tank of propane.
But since the birth of gas grills, there's been heated debate about cooking with propane versus charcoal.
I think probably one of the early initiatives that we had was to convince people that the taste of food cooked on a grill really comes from the juice and the drippings that fall on the fire source. So it was really not the charcoal that produced the flavor, but the vaporized drippings from the food.
And it's been a persuasive argument because these days, 63% of backyard chefs prefer gas to charcoal. At Char-Broil in Columbus, Georgia, they're building gas grills almost as fast as you can say steak, medium rare. All it takes is 20 minutes per grill and lots of steel, 50 million tons a year to be exact. And the trick to fast assembly originates from the auto industry, where each different part is made at the same time.
The key is that all these production components come together while the line is still moving at the end, and the goal is you start from that coil sheet in the beginning to a finished grill at the end of the assembly line.
Individual pieces like burners are specially engineered for lighting your fire.
It's sealed so that the gas can come into the burner system, have the right kind of holes for the air to come in where they can basically create ignition.
Each burner is flame tested before it goes any further.
When you're grilling outdoors and you have a strong wind come in, it could actually blow out your rotisserie burner if you don't have it correctly calibrated.
Another thing these grill builders consider when turning on the gas is customer cleanliness.
Most consumers don't clean their grill after every cooking, and so you'll have food and residue that will build up, and we go through the testing to assure that our electronic ignition will generate the 20,000 volts needed for that electric current to get through that food to basically light the burner.
But the heat output, or BTUs, available through the grill's control panel decides the difference between rare and burnt to a crisp. And it's a myth that higher BTU grills are best.
You don't want so much heat that your grill burns up the food, gets away from you, and you have flare-ups and problems that way.
Lower BTUs in the range of 35,000 create an even heat more suitable to cooking. And because these grills use flammable gas, everything from hoods to legs must be precision welded to meet safety standards. Then a special powder coat seals all parts. Tiny paint particles, like talcum powder, stick to metal like magnets. Then the powder's baked on until it hardens into the most durable finish known for heat. When it's all said and done, 3.5 million grills come off the assembly line each year, and you can bet that's a lot of burgers.
We could feed, with the number of hamburgers you can cook on our grills, every single Californian